am an environmental engineer and PhD student at National Marine Science Center, Coffs Harbour. I am investigating how land use alters water quality in Coffs Harbour region estuaries. Coffs Creek is a recreational source of Coffs Harbour City and contains ecosystem of mangroves, salt marsh and seagrass. It exists with high anthropogenic coastal zone. Many catchments in Coffs region are subjected to frequent flooding. So here we are chasing flood. We, the team of flood chaser, are examining how water quality alters by flood. We have collected about 10,000 data entries and going to examine the levels of carbon, radium, radon, nitrogen, heavy metals and phosphorus entering into the waterways from the ocean, catchment, rain and aquifers. During the heavy rains, samples were collected every minute. The water quality of Coffs Creek quickly changed during the rain. Our results showed how quick the creek responds to the waterfall. The technology gives us a real-time data. Our study shows that Coffs Creek water quality is significantly altered by floodings. Now it's time to do all the lab work.